Have you ever looked at your crops and wondered if there was a way to truly understand their health, not just what you can see with your eyes? In the vast and intricate world of agriculture, efficiency and insight are king, and today we're diving deep into a revolutionary tool that's transforming how farmers monitor their fields, the Green Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, or GNDVI. Remote sensing isn't magic, it's science. Plants don't directly tell us if they're healthy. Instead, they reflect and absorb light in unique ways, creating what we call a spectral signature. Think of it like a plant's unique fingerprint, visible only through specialized sensors, while chlorophyll, the pigment that makes plants green, absorbs a lot of red light for photosynthesis. It reflects a significant amount of green light, which is why plants appear green to us. But here's the kicker: healthy plant cells also strongly reflect near-infrared light, digital energy they don't need for photosynthesis. The GNDVI harnesses this specific interaction. Its formula is elegant in its simplicity. It compares the highly reflected near-infrared light to the partially reflected green light. Unlike its more common cousin, the NDVI, which uses the red band, GNDVI's use of the green band makes it incredibly sensitive to chlorophyll concentration. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's a game changer. Why? Because chlorophyll levels are a direct proxy for a plant's photosynthetic activity and, crucially, its nitrogen status. This sensitivity gives GNDVI a significant edge, especially in dense canopies. NDVI, while a great general indicator, often saturates in very healthy, thick vegetation. It reaches a point where it can't tell the difference between a healthy plant and a very healthy plant. GNDVI, however, saturates at a higher biomass level, meaning it continues to provide valuable insights even when your crops are at their most vigorous mid-season growth. This makes it a powerful tool for monitoring nutrient uptake and stress levels when it matters most. So how do we get this powerful data? There are two main ways: satellites and drones. Satellites like Sentinel-2 offer vast coverage and free data, perfect for regional monitoring and large-scale farms, but they have limitations. Lower resolution, typically 3 to 30 meters per pixel, and fixed revisit times that can be interrupted by cloud cover. This is where unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, drones, come in. Drones provide unparalleled spatial resolution, often down to centimeters per pixel. This allows for analysis at the individual plant level, giving you incredible detail. They offer operational flexibility, letting you collect data precisely when you need it, even flying below cloud cover. This makes them ideal for detailed scouting, research, and managing high-value crops, but getting the raw data is just the first step. To make GNDVI truly useful, we need to talk about pre-processing. Imagine trying to compare photos taken on a sunny day versus a hazy day. The light changes everything. The atmosphere scatters and absorbs light, distorting the signal. Atmospheric correction removes these effects, ensuring the changes you see in GNDVI truly reflect changes in your plants, not just the weather. Another challenge, especially in young crops or orchards, is the soil background. The sensor sees both the plant and the soil. Soil color and moisture can significantly skew your GNDVI readings. With high-resolution drone imagery, we can use techniques like individual tree detection to computationally separate the tree canopy from the inner row areas. This means your GNDVI calculation focuses only on the plant, giving you a purer, more accurate health assessment. Now let's look at how GNDVI is transforming specific agricultural systems. First, orchards. Unlike uniform row crops, orchards are about individual trees. High-resolution GNDVI maps can reveal tree-by-tree variations in vigor and canopy heterogeneity. You can instantly spot clusters of underperforming trees, leading you directly to issues like a faulty irrigation dripper or a localized pest outbreak. For nutrient management, particularly nitrogen, GNDVI is a game changer. Nitrogen is a critical component of chlorophyll. By tracking GNDVI, you can indirectly assess the nitrogen status of your trees, identifying deficiencies before visual symptoms appear. This allows for precision fertilization, applying nitrogen only to the trees that need it, reducing waste and improving fruit quality. Now let's shift to rice cultivation. Rice fields present their own unique challenges with the interaction of water, soil, and dense canopies. Satellite-derived GNDVI time series are invaluable here. They allow you to monitor the rice crop's phenological development from planting through tillering, heading, and senescence. You can see how the crop is progressing across vast areas, identifying fields that are lagging or thriving. Water management in rice is crucial, and GNDVI helps optimize it. By mapping spatial variability in GNDVI within a field, you can identify issues with water distribution like uneven leveling. It even helps assess the moisture content within the plant canopy itself. The ultimate goal of all this data is action. GNDVI imagery is a primary source for delineating management zones within your fields. These are subregions that are internally homogeneous, allowing you to apply tailored management strategies. Based on these zones, you can create variable rate application or VRA prescription maps. This means applying the right amount of fertilizer, seed, or pesticide in the right place at the right time. This is precision agriculture in action. But here's the critical point. GNDVI is an indicator, not a diagnostic tool. It tells you that a problem exists and where it is, but not the cause. A low GNDVI could mean nitrogen deficiency, water stress, pest, disease, or compacted soil. This is where the human element, the agronomist or experienced farmer, is indispensable. They use the GNDVI map to go directly to the problem areas for targeted inspection and diagnosis, translating the what into the why and then the how to fix it. The future of vegetation monitoring is even more exciting. We're moving beyond single indices to multi-index analysis, combining GNDVI with other tools for a more comprehensive view of crop health. Data fusion is integrating GNDVI maps with weather data, soil moisture sensors, and historical yield maps. And machine learning and AI are enabling automated diagnosis, predicting yield, and even identifying specific diseases. The Green Normalized Difference Vegetation Index is more than just a formula. It's a cornerstone of modern data-driven agriculture. It empowers growers, agronomists, and policymakers to optimize inputs, enhance sustainability, and secure productivity in the face of growing global challenges. By understanding its power and its limitations, we can truly unlock the full potential of our farms.